Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneak Roll 9, back with Joso is in the building. Now today, this hat is empty. Today is going to be the big reveal, the announcement of the KAWS crew neck sweatshirt, brand new, going out to a lucky winner. Now this might take a little while because I'm going to read off each person's name that's in the drawing, and then I'm going to put it in this hat. So hand me one name at a time. Got them all in this Nike bag. First name, Billy Rain. I'm going to fold it, put it in here. Will the Beast. Fold it, put it in here. Sid Kalia in the hat. Caesar Poncho. Ugh. SARS.
Sick people.
Janae.
My mom.
In the hat. Sneakerhead 12. In the hat. Boog Holmes. In the hat. YouTube name is No Name. So it says No Name. That's her YouTube name. Tasha Mac 1315. Colgrove Heller. Darwin Craddock.
Who's special? Who's gonna be specially shout out next?
Mark Sarragan in the hat. Mr. Trago in the hat. Oh. Rex in the hat. Alec Cam. Alec Cam. I don't know. In the hat. Do It From the Heart. In the hat. Guy YT. In the hat. Just for Kicks. Adrian Cobbs. Isaac Shear. Brandon Gonzalez. Twin Kicks 718. Man, I didn't know we had so many people.
Yeah,
As of A.
only I know how many people are left.
Drizzy Got Soul. Elliot Miaslish in the hat. Solely Man in the hat. Sweet Pineapple in the hat.
And last but not least.
Last but not least, It's Tiff is in the hat. Tip the bag upside down, show him, see if anything falls out. Oh, he was about to leave somebody out. He was about to leave somebody out.
Okay, that wasn't last but not least. Last but not least.
Now, last but not least,
I'm glad I didn't miss
Denise S. Denise S.
I apologize.
It's okay. We got them all. Make sure the bag is empty. Look in there. Okay. Now, without any further ado, I haven't edited. No edits, no stops. Pick one name out, and the winner is...
Come on! Come on! Come on!
Drizzy Got
Soul. S-O-L-E. Drizzy Got Soul. Hit me up on Instagram. You are the lucky winner of the KAWS Sesame Street crew neck giveaway. Congratulations to you, man. Thank all you guys for rocking with the channel. Hopefully I don't get any unsubscribes since you didn't win. You keep rocking with me. We're on the road to 25K, man. That's the new goal. 2,500.
That's a lot.
Hey, that's what we're shooting for in 2019.
You're asking for a lot.
I'm asking for a lot.
I just hit it for.
Subscribe to the channel. Hit that big red subscribe button. Rock with your boy, man. I love all y'all. OV!
Notification bell. He forgot that.
Oh, hit the notification bell too.
And like it. Please, man. If